Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a beautiful Warli art piece step by step. Warli is a traditional art form from the tribal regions of Maharashtra, India. It's known for its simple geometrical shapes and depictions of simple life and nature. So let's get into it. I'll start by marking out the areas on the paper. I'm making the placings for all the elements that will be contained in this picture. Now let's start with the sketching. Over here I'm drawing a well. Make two straight lines and then join them this way, and here I'm making more lines. This will create the brick look of the well. Here I'm drawing a triangle and then another inverted triangle on top of it and adding its legs using simple lines here. Making its hands. It looks like it's drawing water out from the well. Make a small line for its neck and a circle. This is the basic human formation that is generally used in Warli art. Next over here, you make another person over here. We'll start with its head, then neck, its upper body and its lower body, making it like this. Just draw two lines on the top and bottom and join it using X and draw its legs and hands. Over here it looks like that the person is showering his or her child. Over here draw a line like this and draw a U shape this way for the hen and make its neck over here this way and its tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines over here like this and make its toes here. Then make another bird over here. It looks like that the two birds are being fed by a person. There are seeds present on the ground that they are eating. Above this we are making a sleeping line for the house. I make it double lined like this and join them, making it thicker. Then I'll be making a straight line over here for the walls of the house. Add a couple of lines here and there, and over here make its entrance. The line that we made beside this square part is the line for the tree. We'll be working on that later. Let's first add some lines for the design. I'm not making all of the designs with the pencils. Mostly the simple designs we'll be doing it directly with the paintbrush when we are coloring it out. For the roof of the hut, make a triangle. Again, add decorations for the same over here. Now over here, draw a plant like this. Make a straight line and then add leaves on them. Let's move on to the right side. I'm making rocks over here like this. Rocks here and there. More rocks on top of them. These are just vaguely kept in heaps. Over here, next make a circle. We are going to make a cart for this area here. Make a line like this and then a circle under it. Then make a circle at the center and a line passing through it like this, forming a plus and an X. And add more lines over here on the top this way. Make lines at equal distances, and it should be a free line, so you can draw it freehand. Just make sure that it looks like they are parallel, and join them this way over here, one at the center. Now make a line over here for the front part of the cart, another person over here. Now over here add lines for ground. Extend the lines that we made for the tree on the left side this way. Make sure that as it goes up it becomes thinner. Make sure that the lines are flowy and very rhythmic in nature. These are one of the qualities of Warli art, especially when you're drawing nature in it. For example, the trees, the stem, a plant, anything related to it. Also made lines coming out from the top of the tree like this for the palm leaves. Next over here, make another person. Make its head first using a circle. Make another oval for its bun and make over here again we have a bird that is being fed by the person. There are in fact two birds and not just one bird. Now line over here and we'll be making another house here. So we now over here make the head of a person and its body. Hand reaching out to the utensil, looking like that the person is cooking food. Now over here for the roof you make lines like this. Again we'll be adding decoration or decorative patterns over here to make the artwork look interesting. This is how Warli art was done. We used to pick up simple lines and use basic geometrical patterns or forms and make it into something beautiful. Sketch the base or the broad lines and the rest. Step. That is one of the key elements of Warli art. Make 8 in total, a bunch forming a plus sign and a bunch placed like an. Now over here we'll show a person who is doing farming, and it's sowing something on the ground, holding a grassy structure over here. Then make its legs as well accordingly. Next over here again draw a bird. Okay, so once we are done with this or any other opaque medium, I recommend gouache or poster colors specifically because they are easy to manage and can be rewet using water. And secondly, black gouache color, I'm painting this picture starting from the upper left corner, and slowly I will move towards the right and then towards the bottom. I start from left and then slowly move towards the right because this way I wouldn't have to place my hand over to the painted portion. What happens is if there is some water that you do not know about and you place your hand over to the portion painting like this. You can of course place your hand over to the painted portion, but then just make sure that your hand is clean and dry. If there's some dirt over there, then that will be on the paper as well, and you cannot erase it too because you've painted that portion. Next video, we will color the remaining part of this picture.